Before we learn about named routes, let's have this back to home. So I'll go to my layout, have that as home, refresh, and we are all good. So imagine for some reason you decide that you don't want this to be contact, you want it to be contact us. Then save. So now when you go to your website, you refresh, you try to go to contact, it doesn't work. For it to work, now you have to go to your layout, and where you have contact, you have to change it to contact us. And everywhere else where you have this contact, maybe in the footer, you also have to go there and change it. So save, then refresh. Let's go back, refresh, try to visit contact, and now it's working. There is a way to fix this so that whenever you change this in your route, you don't have to change it everywhere else where you have this route, and that is by using named routes. So I'll have this back to what it was. Save this as well, save. So I'll come here and I'll say name, then give it any name that I want. So I'll give it contact, save. Then I'll go to my layout. Now I don't want to pass this, I want to pass a named route. So I'll come here and say route, then I'll pass the contact, save. Come here, refresh, go back, refresh, we are all good. Try to go to contact, it's working. Go back, try to change in my web.php, change it to contact us, save, go back, refresh. Now notice I've only changed here, I've not changed in my layout anything, I've not touched it. So let's see if this will work. Refresh, go to contact, and it's working. Let me change it even further. Come here and say best website, / contact us, save, come back, blog, try contact, and it's working. So this is very, 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 very helpful. So it means every place that you're using this route by the name contact, you don't have to go to change anything else. You can modify these however you want without visiting the other files. So this is okay, you can name it the way you want, but there is a convention of naming these routes, and that is, let me have this back to contact, and that is, you take this first word, then you say dot, then you take the name of the method. So this will be dot index, then save. So we'll come back here and change this to dot index, then save. Try it, back, refresh, contact, and it's working. Then let's change the rest. So for a closure, it doesn't matter, you can just use the same name as this. So I'll say about. This is a controller, so the name will be, I'll take this, the first word, dot, the first word, it's a string. What am I doing? The first, control V, okay, the first word, dot, the method is show. Then I'll come here, just copy this, so the first word is blog and the method is index, so this will be blog.index. Then here I'll do the same. We don't have anything here, so you can just say welcome.index. You can use the name of the controller, welcome.index. index, then save. Then let's change the layout as well. So instead of going to blog, so we change that to blog.index. So I'll just copy this, come here. Let's actually just copy this, and I'll say now go to copy this and paste it here. So we are going to blog.index. Then for about, it's just about, so we are visiting about. Then for a single blog, let's go to Control P, go to blog, then single blog. Here we are. Let's change this. I'll select all, and I'll say route is blog.show. Save. So everything should work as before. Click home, blog, about, contact, blog, title, and it's all working well. So if you decide to change something, maybe you come here and you say I want this now to be about us, and I want this to be post, not single post. Then save. Let's see if it will work. Refresh, go to home, refresh, about, now it's about us, blog, single, now it is post. I don't have to go and change in those other files. So when your files increase in numbers, managing them will be a bit it will be a bit painful. So it's better to use named routes, and from now henceforth we will be using named routes. So I'll have this back to about, to single, and about, then save, and that's it. So if this video, as usual, if it has been of help to you, kindly consider supporting my work by subscribing to this channel, leaving a like and a comment. Cheers.